What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So in the world today, whatever you're doing, you definitely need marketing at some point, whether it's a product you're selling or a platform you're building or whatever company you work for. There is definitely going to be a marketing department or marketing to a certain level. And so this is still done very much manually with people who are experts in marketing who do that. But in the modern day, with AI coming to take in a lot of industries, today we're going to be looking at one of those tools which uses AI to optimize our marketing strategies and automate our marketing in general. So the tool we're going to be looking at today is called Gumloop. And the idea behind it is the AI automation platform built for everyone. Everything you need, data, apps, and AI in an intuitive drag and drop interface to automate your workflows. And so when we talk about marketing, there's a lot that goes into it. There is social media aspect, there is the communication aspect, there is the sales aspect, there is the operations aspect, engineering, and finally at the end of it, there is also the support. So there's so much that goes into marketing, which will take, an hour or even 10 hours long video to really get into everything. But this platform kinds of try to do all of those things. So it tries to take care of all of the aspects when it comes to marketing. And so it's powered the world's best teams, Webflow, Instacart, Shopify, and many more. Everything you need to build any automation. And so you can imagine companies and their marketing departments. These are departments that sometimes have even thousands of people. Depending on the scale of the company, they have to recruit so many people in order to get their marketing across. There are some people in charge, the graphic designer in charge of creating the images, those in charge of sharing the images, those in charge of monitoring social media, community managers, and all. So this is really a huge department. This is really a huge field for which people actually go to school for long years to master. And so this platform is trying to automate all of that. And so as you can see, it provides a powerful visual builder to automate workflows in minutes with ready-made building blocks. So you have one subscription for everything. It comes in with so many tools, Cloud, ChatGPT, Gemini, and many more in one single subscription, interfaces and templates to make your work easy. But for all departments, consolidate your tools, empower your team, AI enhanced decision making, and your workflows run in the background. So you can equally create prompts, prompt to create, build as fast as you can. So you can use simple prompts in English to create your whole entire workflow. So how does Gumloop work? You pick any app, for example, choose one of our 110 plus integrations to connect with AI, and then you can run it. So you can, for example, you give an example here, get YouTube video transcripts, write a blog post about it, and save drafted blog posts to Google Docs. So you can basically create some automation for your marketing. And so if we go back to the image at the top, you can have an idea here. So you can see, for example, here, you can link your different social media. You can use AI maybe to generate content, identify users, generate reports, and based on that, you can either create some videos to share back to the social media or use that data to analyze it to decide what you're going to do. So basically, you're saying the AI is going to be doing all of those tasks for you. They equally offer some options for sales. Your sales, read my sales book of business, make the decision, generate an AI analysis, update the sales book of business entry, and you equally have operations. And so, the marketing is so huge. Like, for different industries, different things might be pertinent, really. So, this doesn't really speak to me personally in terms of my projects and what I'm trying to do. I might be more interested in the aspects of marketing when it comes to social media and creating content for that and sharing that. That might be more inclined to what I'm trying to do. But for other people as well, they might be looking into many more. Like, you can think of an enterprise. So these tools are really geared at providing an all-in-one solution, which is a good thing, but sometimes can feel very cumbersome. A lot of people will be looking at it. They don't really know how it's going to fit into their workflow. Personally, looking at it just off the bat, I really don't see how it fits into my workflow. So for example, you can get content or mentions from different social media and put them in here, and you'll be able to fit in data enrichment and generate content at scale. So it really tries to automate all of that, and it easily integrates all of these apps. So it's nice. It's very interesting. But I guess I need to watch like a tutorial to better understand how this tool works, because right now they are doing a lot of word salad, but I really don't understand how this tool works. But definitely there's a tool out there with some AI powered agents which help you to basically run your entire marketing department. So let's check out the pricing on this. So they have a free plan. So you see what's available there. They equally have a solo plan which starts from $37 a month, and they equally have a larger plan as well. So you can see, so it comes with a lot of features, really. So I'll say really the website, unless I'm not really the target audience, this really doesn't speak to me that much. But definitely it looks interesting. If AI can run the whole marketing, then it is very, very interesting. So my experience with AI drafting marketing plans is that despite AI being able to draft beautiful marketing plan, there's still a lot of information you have to feed into it, a lot of context you have to give to it, and a lot of tweaks you have to make for it to really get it right. So I don't know how much of that is going to be possible through this platform, but this is interesting already to see. So if we compare it to traditional tools, you'll see some examples. We have Mention, which was recently acquired by Agora Pulse. This is a tool which provides smart marketing decisions without the guessing game. So it provides you some straightforward tools, right? It identifies the mentions of your brand on different social media. It provides you with analytics dashboards, and it helps you make those decisions based on the real data. So it analyzes the data and tracks how your brand is progressing. So I don't think they've integrated any AI tools yet on this, but basically this is just one tool that provides you a specific feature. So gather relevant insights instantly. So you gain full visibility into any topic. You can analyze, get a bigger picture, and engage. So I think a tool like Gumloop does provide this as well, but it just comes with a lot more things, and it provides as well AI agents which help you analyze all of this. So that's why I feel it's a little bit confusing, because it comes with just so much, while you have traditional tools which just try to do one thing and one thing alone. So for example, when you look at the use cases of Mention, it comes with brand management, crisis management, PR management, market research, competitive analysis, and social media management. So it comes with specific tools, but going through these, you get the impression that it's kind of doing so much already, and you're not really sure where they specialize in. So I guess they build automations, and I guess we can go ahead and create an account, and see how it works and how it operates. So yeah. So these are some other traditional tools you have mentioned. You have Talk Worker by Hootsuite. So you navigate the dynamic world of social and consumer data, and you equally have Agora Pulse. So Agora Pulse is also another amazing tool. They definitely don't have any AI integrated, to the best of my knowledge, and so it helps you do a lot of other things as well. So they're also equally a very great tool. They work with all social media. You can post across social media with them, and they can analyze the data as well. So far, I'm not seeing any mentions of AI or anything on here, but it's a great tool. So it's a traditional tool. So hopefully Gumloop does have a lot of that, and it does allow to do that. So currently it seems if you want to get started, you have to book a demo. There's not really readily available version of that for you to test out. And so you can have the last tool, brand mentions, which does just one simple thing. Never miss when your brand gets mentioned online. So it identifies everywhere online where your brand is mentioned. So you have some of those things here. So this tool Gumloop looks definitely interesting. Oh yeah, so we can actually get started and test it out, So I'm not sure how it works. I guess I need to see a tutorial to really have a better understanding. I can see the plus sign. It can create a new subflow. Just with simple prompts, you can go ahead and do so many things. So yeah, it's very interesting, even though it's still very confusing and difficult to navigate. So call nodes using AI triggers, Airtable. I'm really not even sure what the suggestion I should make for them is. They come with a lot of tools integrated already. Hopefully, it would have been great if they had like templates from which you could go off of. Because right now, there's just so much information, you're not sure what to do. Subflows, flows, and so on and so forth. So, yeah, it's very confusing, So, just a quick recap, marketing, digital marketing. Well, marketing in general comes with so many subsections. You have digital marketing, you have search engine optimization, you have marketing design and graphic, you have content marketing, audience analysis, additional marketing functions. You have a lot of different sections or different parts which come with marketing in general. And so it's interesting to see a tool which is trying to do all of that. But if it is difficult to navigate, then I don't think a lot of people are going to make use of, even if it comes with AI integrated and all. So, and I don't know if there's some FAQ somewhere where you ask questions. Well, it doesn't seem so. So I guess I just have to watch the tutorial to get a better look of this. So yeah, but it looks like an interesting and promising tool, Gumloop. You can create some interesting workflows from here, and you get to really automate completely with AI. Yeah, so actually we have some starter templates. Well, as you can see, no templates found. So this is a pretty new tool. Let's kind of keep an eye out for this. This could be really interesting if it is able to deliver on what it promises. If it's able to automate your entire marketing, then that'll be really, really great. So hopefully the tool continues to be developed and it kind of gets to a good place. So in the meantime, I'll try to watch different tutorials to see if I can find my way around this. So there you have it. Check it out at gumloop.com and see if it is much more functional for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.